Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we're talking about Apple Pay and actually Apple Wallet and how to use the Apple Wallet. So let's go ahead and get this started. So first off, if you're not familiar with Apple Wallet or Apple Pay, it's basically a wallet where you can store credit cards and pay for things online or in real life. This video is about paying for things in real life. If you want more information on how to add credit cards to your Apple Wallet or to use it online, be sure to check out my other video. But on this video we're going to do a walkthrough. I had a chance to give this a shot. I was a little concerned that it was going to hold me up at the line, but actually worked out really easily. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit further about this. So I was at Six Flags Magic Mountain here in California and I forgot my wallet. So luckily I remembered that I have my credit card attached to my Apple Pay. And as I was walking through, it gets pretty hot out there, so I got pretty thirsty and I wanted to buy something to drink, but with no credit cards, I went to the stand. Not the little stalls that are along in the aisleway, but the actual large locations. They have terminals that will accept Apple Pay, so that was pretty nice. And also on the vending machines, the Coca-Cola vending machines, they have the Apple terminal as well that can accept payment right there. So that was a lifesaver considering it was so hot there. So let me go ahead and jump into this video. First off, I'm going to open up the Apple Wallet. All right, so here's what you want to do. When you see one of these terminals, let me go ahead and zero in on this right now. So here's one of the terminals. It doesn't necessarily clearly say, hey, come put your Apple Pay here, but this is what you're going to need. It looks like it's an electronic terminal. You can swipe your credit card, but also if you look in a little bit further, you can pay with this thing. It has this little button that looks like some sort of radar or something like that. But if it has that type of terminal, then you can usually use Apple Pay. You do need to set up Apple Pay before you go, so be sure to go back and watch my other video on how to set that up. Alright, so here I am at the vending machine, and all you have to do is open up your Apple Wallet like I did, choose the credit card that you want to use. Once you've chosen the credit card you want to use, bring your phone close to the machine. Once you're close to the machine, then Apple Pay is going to prompt you to sign into your Apple Wallet, usually with your thumb code, possibly your face code if you have one of the new iPhones. I do not. So I went ahead and used my thumb to sign into Apple Wallet. Once you sign into Apple Wallet, you just bring it close to the machine again and it starts authorizing on the machine, as you can see. Once it's authorized, then it's going to tell you to make a selection, or it will automatically pay whatever the fee is if you are at a terminal. So in this case, I went ahead and made a selection. I chose this water right here, and then the machine says it starts to vend. And bada bing bang boom, there's my water, ice cold. And the machine is telling me to make another selection, so you don't actually have to swipe it for each and every transaction. And because of that, what you want to do is be sure to click cancel, as you can see right there, the button right there, and that way someone doesn't come up behind you and order another water or order something on your Apple Pay. All right, and I also saw another terminal as I was leaving the park looking for some funnel cake. Here's the video on that.
Yeah, please.
You can see right there, it was clearly marked checkout faster Apple Pay. And another place that I saw this terminal was at Subway. So I took a screenshot here of the Subway terminal. This is outside of Six Flags, but as you can see right there, they have the same type of terminal, similar, but also marked as Apple Pay if you look right there on the screen on the bottom left. So you can actually use Apple Pay the same way at most Subways, and it's pretty easy. So there you have it. That's how to step-by-step show how to use the Apple Pay at the terminals if you do not have a credit card or your wallet or cash or something like that. A pretty convenient way to pay for things. If you use Apple Pay in a different way, be sure to leave me a comment below. I'm always kind of curious to see how other folks use Apple Pay, but hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and thanks for watching.